The HVAC evaporator accumulates a buildup of soil contamination, which will soon hinder the cooling efficiency. What's worse, along with condensation, mold and other bacteria will develop, causing respiratory problems. In the past, the only way to clean a dirty, contaminated evaporator was to remove the dashboard and dismantle the ventilation system's assembly, part by part. This cleaning process took long hours to accomplish and was very expensive. The good news is, there's a simple and effective way to clean a contaminated evaporator. DWD2 Clean Air Evaporator Cleaner was created through months of research and development before it was patented in 1997. It remains the best in the world marketplace.